In this video, we see how we can download and install the PyCharm software in 2026. So let's start this video. So before we start downloading the PyCharm, I just will tell you PyCharm is a unified product. So PyCharm community and PyCharm professional are unified into the one product where they give us the pro month when we install it. Automatically they give us the trial, and after that we can use the core features for totally free, or if we buy the subscription then we use the professional features also. So for this one you need to be open this web page. I try to be add the link into the description, then you can directly access that web page. That is the official website of the JetBrains which own this PyCharm. So there are the Linux and Mac operating system. You can choose according to your. Right now I am on the Windows, so that's why I choose a window here and I click on this download button. So in that way our downloading is start. So I am not going to be download it because I already downloaded it, and I show you how we can install it. Installed. Okay, that is the PyCharm 2025.3 software which I already downloaded. So now we see the installation steps. So right click on it and run as administrator here. PyCharm setup window is there. Click on next here. Choose the destination folder. So you can change it according to your file size. So you can change the destination folder by clicking on browse button here. I choose the E for my destination folder and click on next. Click on this three things and click on this one .python and click on next. Click on install button here. So our installation is start. It's take the few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes depending on your PC condition. So after that we see how we can run the PyCharm. Now our PyCharm setup is complete and click on finish here. This is the PyCharm desktop icon. So we double click on it and run. So PyCharm is running. Okay, allow the access here. So first of all, when you first time open it, then they ask for import setting, because I also have the Intel IDE and Visual Studio Code. So that's where they say you but in your case if you don't have this software then they don't ask you, but there is a button of the skip import, so you click on it. Now the PyCharm is opening right now, so we wait here. They activating our subscription trial and they are loading some libraries. So then we see okay, now they are completely fine. So you have access of the PyCharm trial version. So no Python interpreter found on your system. So in your case if you don't have, then don't worry, just click on yes here and they are trying to be installing the Python. Okay, now our trial is activated for the next 30 days. So if you want to be cancel the trial, then click on this search button and click on manage here, write down the manage here. So now this manage subscription, click on it. Manage subscription window is there and they ask you for activating the another subscription or deactivating the subscription. So if you don't want subscription or like the pro PyCharm, then simply click on this deactivate the subscription. Okay, so now we see how we create the new project. So you see this one, right click on it, there is the new option, click on it, the Python file, give him the name main.py and click on Python file and enter. Now our file is created, main.py. So you can write the code. So I simply write the code for print, and after that I click on this run button. Now you see they create our project and now hello viewers is visible on this terminal. So I hope so you understand how you can download and install the PyCharm latest version in 2026. So please share with your friend which want to be download this software, and I see you the next time.